Scott Gibbons, who is a police officer from Counter Terrorism Policing headquarters. Scott's been talking about an incredibly important and sad issue today, being the use of commercial vehicles in terrorist attacks. Now, Scott, can you tell us just a little bit about what you've been talking about at the conference today?
Sure. So today really was a presentation just talking a little bit about the counter-terrorism network and how that works across the UK. A short video just showing some of the attacks that we'd had previously to remind people of some of the facts surrounding those. And then really the main bit of the presentation was to give some advice to transport managers or to signpost them to where to look.
And where should they be looking for that advice?
So really there's a few things that I would recommend. First of all, the NACSO, so it's the National Counter Terrorism Security Office, you know, their website, it's a government website. If you just Google NACSO, it'll come up straight away. And on that website, they're our part that gives advice. They do stuff like the Run, Hide, Tell you may have seen, Project Griffin you may have heard of, but they have counter-terrorism security advisors that are posted to NACSO, and on that website you'll be able to contact your local counter-terrorism security advisor if you need to ask some questions, if you've got any worries about terrorism, etc. You can also go on that website, and we've got the ACT campaign, which is something that the National Counter Terrorism Policing headquarters has been promoting certainly since March the 20th. We've got a toolkit on there that we're able to give people, so certainly any big companies are able to use a toolkit for their media, so they can contact the Counter Terrorism Policing quite quickly. There's lots and lots of stuff on there, lots of really good stuff and advice for people, certainly about vehicles, but across a whole range of subjects around terrorism. I really do recommend people have a look at that NACSO website.
Yeah, absolutely. And presumably you've had to do some work with the industry to prevent its vehicles being used in these awful attacks. What has your engagement with the industry been like so far?
So the industry itself has been fantastic, genuinely really has. The help that we've had from industry has been great. To give you some examples of that, for instance, you know, we work with the BVRLA, the rental side of things. On the government workshop that we have now dedicated to vehicles as a weapon, we have people from industry, different companies in there. We have the RHA, FTA, lots of big players, you know, on that, advising government, because we don't have all the answers, and we can't do it without industry's help, because they are the experts in their industry. So really positive, and really very grateful to all the help that we've had from industry. That's helped us, you know, look at this strategy and try and mitigate against these attacks. Yeah,
absolutely. Thank you so much, Scott. And please do what he says. Have a look at NACSO online, get yourself familiarised, and engage if you need some more information. Thank you so much.
Thanks very much. Thanks, Emma.